Hello, shalom everyone. Hi, we are back with another project. This is more Penina is going to do the airplane going to Israel. So for this project, we will need a clothespin. This is what we need, clothespin. We can color it. We can just with markers, crayons, if you like to make some paint on it, water color, anything that you like to make it. But it's not really necessary. So we have the clothespin. We will need light blue, dark blue, and white as the Israeli flags. Paper, construction paper, or any kind of cardboard or paper. We will need a glue and scissor and love to work. So the airplane is going to be just like this. All right, so let's start it. We have the clothespin. I have white papers. I have dark and light blue papers, and it's going to be you taking dark or light blue and you just making a stripe. Again, stripe, or from the dark blue, or from the light blue. This is your choice. I'm making a stripe. I'm cutting the stripe on half. From one of the halves, I'm going like that in circles. The corner has to come for a circle. This is how it's going to look. This is the light blue. This is the dark blue. Then we cut another stripe from the white. Another stripe from the white. And the white stripe has to cut on two. Again, don't forget, we need to make the corner circles. And that's how the white is going to look. Now, the blue that you choose, the light or the dark, has to be longer than the white. And then we take the clothespin, we put it on a table. Then we take glue and we go like this side and the other side. 2 spots of a glue, and one I choose to do the dark blue. So one of them is going to be in the front, just like this, on the glue. Second one is going to be the white, and the white is going to be in the back. This is one side. Then you put it down and you put glue again on the empty side. 2 spots of glue, and again dark blue and white. Then you let it dry. And don't forget, we need to make the back wing like in the picture. You can just see that. So what I did, I took a piece of white or a piece of blue and I cut them like this. Circle on the top and very straight line, small cup, which is going to be the wing. And the wing is going this way. This is the airplane, this is going to be in the back. You can make it from white or blue. It's your choice. And I'm putting some glue and just put it on to dry. Very easy. I have an airplane and I'm going goodbye to Israel. Happy holiday, everyone. Wish to see you later after the holiday. Enjoy your time.